Welcome to part 2 of our series on scripting. Today we'll explore package management, storage media, and writing efficient shell scripts. We'll cover networking, file searching, archiving, regular expressions, and text processing. Whether you're new or experienced, this session will help you tackle real-world problems with shell scripting. Let's get started. First, let's talk about package management. A package manager automates installing, upgrading, and removing packages. On Debian-based systems, use apt. On Red Hat-based systems, use DNF or Yum. Now let's move on to storage media. Understanding storage types is key in shell scripting. Next, we explore networking. Use ping to check connectivity and SCP or async for file transfers. Let's talk about searching for files. Use find to search through the file system and grep to search file contents. Next is archiving and backup. Use tar for archiving and async for backups. Moving on to regular expressions or regex. Regex allows you to search for patterns in text. Text processing is an essential skill in shell scripting. Use awk for pattern scanning and cd for text transformations. Now let's dive into writing shell scripts. Creating scripts is all about automation. By practicing these concepts, you'll be able to automate your tasks and create more efficient scripts. Thank you for joining this session, and I hope you feel more confident in your scripting abilities.